Hey, y'all, Liz here. Did you know it costs 5 times more to get a new client than to keep one? For most of us, not everyone, but for most of us, somewhere around 5 times. It's a lot. If your business is bleeding clients, you're leaving money on the table. At the World Class Client Retention Workshop, we're going to show you some proven systems to keep your best clients longer, increase loyalty, and to maximize profits. Who doesn't want more profit, right? So whether you join us live in Houston or tune in by live stream, this is your chance to level up and to really make a big difference in this way. Live seats, not live stream seats. Live seats are limited. I think we're limited to 40, and those are filling up really quick. So if you want to be in the room, making a bigger change and a bigger shift because of that additional networking opportunity, make sure that you sign up now, September 26th through 27th. Hope to see you there. Bye, y'all.